Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use Kids Messenger on Facebook. Open Facebook now, click on top right your profile icon. After this, scroll down and here you can see option Messenger Kids. Click on this. Now click on Get Started. After that, click here Create an account for my child. Here you need to add your children's first name, last name, and date of birth. After that, click on Next button and create an account. Apart from this, you can skip the remaining details. After that, simply click on Next button and click on Allow button. Click on Turn on button and again click on Next button. After that, you have to download the Kids Messenger from your Simply Play Store. Now you can use Facebook Messenger for your children.